Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Boof,
Lee, Melissa,
Jamal.
and it's family paint day. Yay!
It's family make a mess day.
My beautiful wife allowed us to make a mess in the house. This is what we created, this masterpiece here.
Actually, that's not technically true. Melissa and Jermon fixed beautiful pieces of artwork, and my wife just made a mess.
That's how I do. It was great fun. We've done fluid painting one other time, but we wanted to share the experience with these two. Check out our fun.
Apparently this time it consisted of going around in circles in the yard. I'm not quite sure what that was about.
Yeah, there might have been some dog poo involved too.
Yeah.
A little bit of it.
You'll have to keep watching to find out.
Yeah. The best.
Yep. You put it in there and you stir it up and see what it looks like.
What should we start with?
I usually had what you think, but I don't have any of those, so we'll
Popsicle sticks or something,
Yeah.
maybe?
Oh wait, I do have popsicle sticks. Hold please.
Hold, please. I don't even know if that's enough, so I'm just winging it.
I'm gonna do this in layers, so I'm gonna put a little bit of the red and then keep going and get the colors that I want.
Are you keeping the same pour pattern? I haven't been paying attention.
Yeah.
I'm literally enthralled with watching the
Yeah.
paint.
Yeah, it's kind of enthralling, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like hard to, it's just mesmerizing.
That's amazing.
It looks
I love
so cool.
Looks
I
like a yolk.
think I have enough to cover the canvas. So part of me feels like I should just lift up
And let it
and
spread.
let it spread.
Yeah, I agree.
I don't know, they're blending really much.
Yeah.
I think it's because they're all in the same family.
Maybe. I wonder if that's why sometimes they use a median in between each color. So they use the color, then they use white, then they use the color, then they use white, then they use color, then they use white, or black, or one other main color that blankets so that the colors don't, they're less apt to blend.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
You know?
Because this one definitely blended. It looked awesome to start, but now it's just kind of muddling.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is very fleshy now.
Yeah.
I liked it. Yeah, I liked it much better when it was.
Yep, we're gonna have to redo. We will try again.
So what you're saying is she's putting white in between every color. So she does a color, and then she does white, and then she does a color, and then she does white. You can see it's already starting to come out the bottom.
You need ice?
Sorry you missed that. You just spit in it. Apparently that adds a little something to it.
I just caught the bubble.
Yeah, she spit in it. I saw it, folks. She spit in it. I'm sorry I didn't catch it on camera.
It's not a dispenser, you'll have to get it.
And I absolutely love the look of it coming out the bottom. I'm almost wondering if you didn't just not remove the strainer
I know, I was wondering that myself.
and just let it slowly pour out.
I don't know that it's thin enough for that.
Right?
Don't?
No, eventually you're gonna have to tilt it
Ugh.
Yeah. But maybe you do let it sit for a bit.
and drain out on some.
Yeah.
True.
Pink. Lost my cycle.
Yeah, maybe tilt with the strainer on it instead of picking it up.
Oh, that's
Look at it
super
bend
cool.
over.
Oh, I should have taken this off. It's okay.
Oh, the
Set
bubbles.
aside.
Let's pop
You
the
move it.
bubbles.
Yeah.
And then just
Now she's spitting on the canvas. I caught it this time.
That looks so cool.
All right, and then you have the pick it up and just,
Actually, wait a minute. He doesn't even have to pick that up, I don't think. I think it's going to go on its own.
it won't hit all four corners. It won't hit all
You don't think so?
No, he's gonna
Okay.
definitely have to tilt it to get it over there.
Okay. The more you tilt it, the more it changes what it looks like.
That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, well,
It knows what it wants to be, right?
yeah, there you go.
Right?
Ooh, it's
Yep.
gonna-
No, it's doing it. It's doing it. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. Do it. Yeah. Oh, look at it. Now take it that way. Yeah. See how it.
Got on it.
Nice.
That is so.
Oh, I
that
love it. I love it.
is
Oh, you gotta get it to the corner though. It's gonna cover everything.
Oh,
Okay, then go that way.
Quick.
I'm like, don't lose all the yellow. Yeah. Oh,
Come on.
nice.
come on. Corner.
Okay. Yep.
Oh, that is awesome.
That is amazing. I love
Dang,
it.
it's really
Still ain't
just this
quite got
bottom
your corner yet, though,
Dang.
But you can tilt now. Bring this corner down. Yep. See how it? You know what I mean? And then you can bring it back if you
That
need
is
to.
So cool. Come on, please.
Oh, just
Please.
do it before it does it. Oh, okay, do it. Yeah. Okay, then take it
I
back.
love y'all's sound effects.
It gets intense.
Wait. Wait.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. It's like a little piece.
It's gone. It's gone.
Okay. Yeah.
The
That's
colors
solid.
are perfect.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Still, let me. Do you see it?
Doing that. It's definitely Easter Bunny-ish, but I like it. I'm just gonna keep it because it kind of matches the other one.
Yeah.
You know.
So, guys, my painting a night has turned into a family event. Yay! Sisters and wives and nephews. Oh my! And my beautiful wife is okay with me turning the table into this. The what? Hey babe, what you doing over there?
Nothing.
Looks like you're about to get messy.
No, not.
So far this evening we have Germain's topographical, I call it Visions from Space.
Visions from space.
Beautiful,
I
right?
Love it. I love it, yeah.
And Melissa's Easter Bunny Vomit.
Why do I gotta be vomit? Oh my god! Vomit!
Okay, fine. Let me replace that. Easter Bunny in a blender.
There we go.
Better?
Easter bunny in a blender.
And Easter Bunny is pink, yellow, purple, and green.
On the inside.
On the inside,
It is on the inside.
Okay, here's Leanne starting her pour. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Okay, here we go. That looks amazing.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah.
God, those
yeah.
colors.
Yep, and then throw whatever you have left on there and swirl it around.
I wouldn't even hate if you use some of that Jama Lynn has.
I'm gonna let y'all do it. I'm gonna let each one of y'all add something to it.
You get to tilt, so I'm going to do.
We'll swish it a little bit.
No, I think you gotta swish it. I think that's what's gonna make it all.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's gonna give it.
Hey, honey.
Mine aren't super bad.
Since Boof didn't like the first one and said it was too quote-unquote plushy, this was her second attempt at creating a canvas, and this one she actually did like until it dried.
Give it a good zhush. Is that water enough for you?
What does he need to do, Boof?
Give it a good zhush.
How do you
Yeah, you just did like a light.
Yeah, and then I just rub my hands in it and spread it all over. I gave it a good base.
Alright.
Keep going, keep going. Yeah, there. That's perfect. And then give it a good, massage it. Yeah.
massage it into
Give
the
it
canvas?
Let the canvas know that you're here to experience the canvas. Become one with the canvas.
were killing me.
Yeah, just like that. Just like that. Don't forget the edges.
Don't forget to get those corners, all the little peaks and crevices.
Perfect,
Sorry.
perfect. No.
I started feeling it too much.
Literally.
It's a family channel.
It's a family joke.
There you go. Yeah, that way it has a nice good.
Not anymore.
And then give it a good, make sure you get all the way towards the zhushing.
Zhushing.
Yeah. See? There you go. That way it has something to float. Alright, what you looking for next?
I want to do a little zhush to... Yes. Sorry.
No, yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah.
Ooh,
I see what you did there.
okay,
Becoming great, yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. I don't know if that's what I wanted.
It is, it's what it needed.
It's what it needed.
It's not about what you want, it's what the art needs.
The art needs, it's true.
That's perfect.
A brief intermission from all of that cray that they got going on.
I love what you did with the splat. Because you do that like with the ivory, like just, you just do, splat it. You just wherever.
You need it on there?
Just need a little.
Do you need a little bit of a, here,
Just
let me
a little-
show you.
Yeah, just give me a little bang, bang. Okay.
Ready?
Oh.
Ready?
Oh, bang. Oh.
That's gorgeous. Oh my God,
that's
that's beautiful.
That's beautiful.
That's beautiful.
Perfect. That's perfect.
That's perfect.
I love it.
I mean, that's like,
That's a
I
masterpiece.
don't know about doing it, love it, because it's going to change.
beautiful.
Leanne's
Yes, that's what it needs. That because you lost all of
Yeah,
that.
it's all.
Yes.
Yeah. that'll-
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Here's a little.
Oh my God.
Man.
That was perfect.
That's amazing.
I love it. Yeah, that actually
Yeah,
is
yeah,
awesome.
that was
I love
it. That was
Yeah,
it.
that was awesome. I love it.
Hey. Bam.
so fake the second time.
Huh?
It was so fake the second time.
Well,
Third
it
try,
was. The
third
first
try.
time it was genuine.
You know what? That's perfect. Bam.
like clearly.
Hey,
Let's do over plan. Ready?
Yeah. That there.
That's it. Bam.
Damn.
you guys are so great. I love it. Too bad I didn't have the record button pushed.
Oh.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
Well, what are you wanting to do? You want to take the pink out, right?
Yeah, I want the pink to be less prominent.
Someone bring me the lazy Susan.
Mama.
I have an idea,
There are paintings all around here.
and I'm not gonna hit any of them.
With the paint or with the print?
It's going to work beautifully.
Wait. Go a little bit more to your right, this way. A little bit back this way, a little bit. Hey, Jermon, come here a minute. So tell me, is that a good look for her?
Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect.
I saw this once on TV.
Maybe we should move that.
We should
I saw this once on TV.
Really?
Whenever a sentence starts off with that.
It's never good.
Never.
But it was
We
like,
could take it outside and like, whoosh. shit in the air.
Throw it up in the air. Hope that it lands on the bottom, not the top. Or catch it.
Oh, you know what's not a bad idea? Step off the porch and go like this. I'll open the door. Open the door.
This is the problem I have when these two get together.
I know.
Ready? Yes. Yes. Wait. Yes.
Ready?
She's our own little lazy Susan.
Oh my god, that looks amazing.
Of course it
Ugh.
does. So why do you have paint in your ear? I don't know.
Wait a minute.
Oh, that looks cool. That looks very cool.
Right? Oh,
Totally different.
There are so many things that come to mind watching this, even after living it. But I can't say I'm on this channel. So you'll have to do with this.
Does it still look like, what did you call it? The
Easter Bunny in a
Easter
blender?
Bunny is no longer in the blender.
Yeah.
Easter Bunny has left the building.
Looks to me, I'm just pointing this out as an observation, looks to me like somebody hit frappe and forgot to take the Easter Bunny out of the blender.
Possibly.
That is
No, no.
And that is frapped bunny rabbit.
No, 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 no.
This here is precision tilting at
Oh,
its
my bearing,
finest.
I need to spin again.
Outside?
I think so. That,
Well,
I mean,
you ain't
got the
spinning
best color.
in the house.
You got the best color that way. Don't you think?
She said, hold my beer. I took the straw. I assumed that's what that meant. Might not have.
Round and round she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows.
Don't knock over the fence because we're not ready to replace that yet.
Done.
It's kind of perfect to do that anyway because you get rid of a lot of excess. That looks perfect.
Doesn't it?
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
That's done. I mean, that's like
Yeah.
primo. Thanks for joining us, guys. We had a great time. Hope you enjoyed our beautiful artwork, and we'll catch you next time. Toodles. Bye. All right, who's cleaning up? I'm done.
I'm done.
Not it.
Not
Make us
me.
do all the work. Come on.